Suha says, how should we do tayammum at home, as mostly nowadays people live in flats and we do not have soil available and our walls and furniture don't have dust on it? The most authentic opinion is that you can perform wudu on anything that is made of earth, clay, soil, sand, pebbles, rocks, mud, dry mud, and what is made out of it. So if you have a wall with concrete or the likes, then you can make tayammum on it. If not, if the wall is painted with paint, and the paint is not from earth, or the likes, or like drapes, or like furniture, if it has dust in it, so if you do this, you can have some dust coming out of it, you can make wudu with that, because dust is from earth. But if it doesn't have dust, it's clean, and it has nothing on it, then you have to go outside and look for some soil, some dirt, some sand in the park or nearby, and you can do tayammum with that, inshallah.